I love brekkie burritos, but I'm gonna flip it on its head today by making an omelette tortilla sandwich. This is a lot of fun. So we're gonna start with our scrambled eggs in a bowl. We're going to crack 3 eggs. Really depends on how large your pan is for this. I'm using a large burrito style tortilla, so I'm going to add 3 eggs to my pan, and I'll add some salt and some pepper. And we'll give that a very good whisk. Combine all those egg whites with the egg yolks. Fantastic. All right, before we get started, I just want to prepare everything because as we know, eggs cook so fast. I'm using some smoked mozzarella. I love the flavour of smoked mozzarella. You could just use your regular mozzarella if you like, but this is going to give it really nice earthy, woody flavour. So I'm just going to grate that. Just want about a handful of this cheese. I never buy my mozzarella cheese pre-grated. I love the ball of mozzarella and grating it yourself because it just tastes so much better. All right, that's looking good. In our pan, we'll add some oil, so some extra virgin olive oil, just a small splash, and eggs love butter, so a bit of butter. I'm just going to swirl that around. And we've got that on a medium to high heat, so we can add our egg. And we just want it to start setting. And now that that's just setting, we're going to break it up. I'll add some spinach. Totally up to you what type of ingredients you want to add to this. And this is where it gets interesting. We're going to place our tortilla on top of this, and it's going to stick to the egg that's not set. And let that cook for a moment. We're going to flip this over. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. And while that's piping hot, we're going to add loads of cheese. So sprinkle the cheese over the top and some more spinach. You could add some tomatoes here, some ham, and we're going to flip this over just to ensure that cheese melts completely. Now we're just going to give it a minute on each side to really get toasty and crispy. And of course, melt that mozzarella. All right, this is toasty and melted. Take it out of the pan. Just let it cool for a moment before you slice into it. I'm going to serve it with some avocado, the obligatory extra vegetable, and we'll just cut that in half. And I'm just going to fan that for some presentation. Just pop that on the plate. Do that for the next one. These are perfectly ripe, and we'll fan the second one. All right, so let's cut into this beautiful tortilla sandwich. Oh, look at that. See how that's oozy and melty? That's what we're after. Breakfast done in 5 minutes. And I love a big dollop of sriracha chili sauce. Dollop just there. Ooh. And that right there is a breakfast of champions.